Good morning. I woke up really early today to get ready to go to the Christmas market. Exactly 2 weeks ago, I had my book launch and a very kind gentleman offered me a stand to actually sell my book, 𝙾𝙬𝙧𝙤 𝙬𝙧. I'll link down in the comments the link for my novel on Amazon. So I'm going to go to the Christmas market to sell my novel 𝙾𝙬𝙧𝙤 for the next 2 days, today and tomorrow. And I'm getting ready now with all the boxes with the books to go there. This is how my living room looks this morning. With all the preparations I've done to go to the Christmas market. So I actually have 3 boxes with books. Before I'm going to the Christmas market, I'm actually going to a book launch. But I have prepared in total of 3 boxes of books, and some of them are very festive and very Christmassy. Look. Put the ribbons on them because I actually want to decorate my my table and my stand really nicely with my novel and with red to be festive for Christmas. And later on today I'm going to wear a Christmas jumper as well. And I also have banners. That's a stand I'm hoping to be able to just keep my phone on that stand and take a few videos over there. And I'm also going to take 2 banners with me. I arrived here now at the Christmas market and I just need to unpack all of the boxes from the booth and then bring them inside. So come with me inside. So here I have my banners, a few things that I need, and the boxes with my book. So now I'm here at the marketplace and that's my table. I need to organize it with the books, and here are my boxes. Still here at the Christmas market. It's almost closing time. I've been so busy. I've been here all day chatting to people and I didn't get a chance to take new videos. But I just want to quickly show you around. So this is how my stand with my books look like. With my banner and my books. And there is so much going on around here actually, but I just didn't get a chance to go around really and see all the stands and what they sell and what they do. But there is a lot going on. It's a cafe in here, it's a restaurant, it's a lot of things really that I didn't get a chance to see. And I will be back tomorrow, and tomorrow I will be here for a full day from 10 to 5, and I will be coming back with my books, and it's Sunday, so I hope tomorrow it will be even busier than today and even more people, and I hope I will chat with even more people and sell more books, 𝙾𝙬𝙧𝙤, and spread the message of healing through writing around the world. Morning. Today is the second day for the Christmas market. I'm in the car now. My husband is actually driving me today to the Christmas market. I'm wearing all red today and a Christmas jumper. I want to be more festive today, and I have with me a hat as well. So I'm really tired after yesterday, but I'm really looking forward for today. It's Sunday. I actually hope even more people will show up, more people will be around. The location is kind of awkward for a lot of people, I've heard, because it's far away. It's on the outside, on the outskirts of Dublin, somewhere in Dublin 24. So the location is not ideal apparently for a couple of people, unless they drive, of course, but majority drive. So I really hope today will be a lot of people around and I will show up with my novel, with the Spy Arena, and let's see how it turns out. I'm confident in my product that I have a good book. Now I just need people. I need people to show up and tell them how amazing this story truly is. So fingers crossed for me today that I will have people, customers, and people will buy the book and spread the word about my book with others. I'll see you later. I just got here at the Christmas market and I'm going to set up my stand again, so let's do it together. The second day of the Christmas market, it's now over. It's been busier than yesterday, which is brilliant. I've sold more books today. I've been chatting to people all day, and now it's time for me to actually pack and go back home. So pack with me.